Tired of switching between your CRM and your phone just to make a simple call? Well, get ready to simplify your life. In this video, we'll show you how to make calls directly within Zoho CRM, streamlining your communication and boosting your sales and support efficiency in just 90 seconds. Let's dive in. First, let's look at calling from a contact record. Open any contact in Zoho CRM. You'll see their phone number listed here. Simply click on the number to initiate a call. If you have a Zoho PhoneBridge integration set up with a provider like Twilio or RingCentral, a pop-up window will appear. Click the call button to start the call through your integrated phone system. Make sure you have your headset ready or microphone enabled. Another way to make calls is through the telephony icon, typically found at the bottom right corner of your Zoho CRM screen. Click the phone icon to open the panel. Use the dial pad to manually enter the number you wish to call, or search for a contact directly within the panel. Again, clicking call will trigger the Zoho PhoneBridge integration. Now, the best part, after the call, Zoho CRM automatically prompts you to log the call details. You can add notes about the conversation, mark the call result such as completed or no answer and associated with relevant records like potentials or tasks. All your logged calls are neatly recorded, providing valuable data for reporting and analysis. You can track call frequency, outcomes, and even measure the effectiveness of your sales and support efforts. So, stop juggling multiple tools and start leveraging the power of integrated calling within Zoho CRM. Simplify your workflow, improve your customer relationships, and boost your productivity. Thanks for watching.